Ready to unlock a treasure chest of savings on Temu? Let's dive into exactly how you can earn those sweet Temu credits and snag awesome goodies without breaking the bank. First, open the Temu app on your phone. You'll usually find the Earn Credits or Free Gifts option right on the home screen. It often stands out with bright colors or a special promotion banner. Tap on it. Now you're on the Earn Credits page. The most common way to earn is through referrals. You'll see your unique referral code or link. This is your magic ticket. Copy your referral code or link. You can usually do this with a simple tap of a button. Next, share your referral link with your friends, family, or even on your social media platforms. Temu offers sharing options directly to platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, or you can simply copy and paste it wherever you like. When someone new signs up on Temu using your link, boom, you earn credits. The amount of credit you earn per referral varies depending on the current promotion. Keep an eye out for other ways to earn credits too. Temu often runs special events, games, or offers bonus credits for completing certain tasks within the app. These can range from spinning a wheel to inviting new users. Once you've racked up those credits, they'll appear in your Temu account balance. You can use these credits to discount your future purchases or even get items completely free. During checkout, simply apply your available credits to your order. You'll see the price magically drop. It's that easy. Start sharing, start earning, and start saving.